You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. The market going up, the market going down. Keep on playing with my emotions. All I want is some more tokens. Hard for me to meditate cause I'm always in motion. So grateful for this knowledge and didn't have to go to college. I hope that you acknowledge I'll be all about the money flow. Looking for some crypto I can buy for the low. Market dumped all on me, I consider that a low blow. Forgot to set a stop loss, man, you slipping, that's a no. Working with this leverage got me all up in the bank vault. Put in all this work, you can't be mad, it ain't my fault. I've been smashing Rari, doing donuts on the asphalt. Anti-laser radar shield, nope, I will not get caught. Neighbors taking pictures when I pull up out the garage. 300K in bells and whistles, this is not a facade. Got the groupies going crazy, wanna slob on my knob. I can't teach you everything, no sir, that ain't my job. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Crypto face, alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Market going up and down just like a pogo. Scamming in my comments, then you probably are a bozo. Been real from the start, man, didn't you get the memo? Offshore accounts, but my bars are on tempo. Corners, I'ma bend them. Rari, high RPM them. Hands off the wheel, positive traction when I spin them. Trading is my specialty, nobody can really mess with me. When it comes to BTC, yep, I got the recipe. In and out carefully, fine tune my strategy. Technical analysis, my whale crew some savages. Hardly check my balances, they keep on going up. Big old dog named Sid, been a beast since a pup. Some of y'all call it luck, I call it divine intervention. When I'm pulling up, you can already see the engine. Game so cold, might as well you be see a the market going up. Up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto.
Said it before, I'll say it again. If you follow this channel, no one's got their thumb on the Bitcoin market like I do. No one does. And sometimes I've made some pretty long projections. Made 2 weeks in advance when we were up here, right on point. The Chinese squeeze, on point. The leaf saying we were going to get high, we got high. The toilet, the poop, the diarrhea, the specific poop. The original, the double scrotum.
It'd be 3 in the morning and the strait's still open. Never fall asleep or you'll wake up flopping groping. Your spirit shall be broken as they snatching up your tokens. The only way you're coping's with the weed you've been smoking. We're scalping like Indians, leveraging these millions. Trading in the dark so we looking like aliens. You know that I'll be gambling till I'm damn Blazarian. And the balls get hairier as the trades get scarier. And we do the Miley Coco when these ETFs approve. While we skirting on them popos and all these little minnows, 50x and that's a no-no. Leverage like a fool, pretty soon you'll be a hobo. I got plenty of volume in my shorts. And when we hit that coke line, I got plenty of volume in my snorts. And if I ever go broke, I'll be flopping and groping in the Discord like popcorn. We are the disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades. We are all disciples of crypto face, trying to find our calling in this crypto space as we navigate daily through these crypto trades. Long live the ace of spades. We are
You do have a relationship with this man. You've said it many times. We've seen it demonstrated for whatever reason. Are you going to take an opportunity, if you get it, to speak up for the family of Kenneth Bay and to say, let us know why this man is being held, that this is wrong, that he is sick. If you can help Dennis, will you take the opportunity?
Well, it says, the one thing about politics, Kenneth Bay did one thing. If you understand, I got it. If you understand what Kenneth Bay did,
yeah.
Do you understand what he did?
What did he do? You tell me.
Country.
You tell me. What did he do?
No. You tell me. You tell me. Why is he held captive?
They haven't released any charges. They haven't released. They haven't released any reason.
Let me do this. I would love to speak on this.
Go ahead.
You know, you got 10 guys here. 10 guys here that have left their families. Left their damn families to help this country as a sports venture. Got 10 guys, all these guys here. Do anyone understand that?
We do, and we appreciate that, and we wish them well with cultural exchange.
No. I'm just saying, no, I don't give a I'm giving a rat's ass what the hell you think. I'm saying to you, look at these guys here. Look at them.
Yeah, but Dennis, don't put it on them. Don't use them as an excuse for the behavior that you're putting on yourself.
They came here.
You just basically were saying that Kenneth Bay did something wrong. We don't even know what the charges are. Don't use these guys as a shield for you, Dennis.
Listen.
Ain't no shield. I got it. Let me do this. Really, I'm gonna tell you one thing. People around the world, I'm gonna do one thing. You guy behind the mic right now, we are the guys here. We are the guys here. We are the guys here. We are the guys here doing one thing. We have to go back to America and take the abuse. Do you have to take the abuse? Well, we're going to take it. Do you, sir? Let me know. Are you going to take that abuse? We're going to get it. But guess what, though? One day, this door is going to open.
Can you hear me now? My bad. I had to change out my shit. Things look good, real good. Hourly looking great. Bounced right off the spider line on Easter. 1, 2, 3.
Daily's looking great. We have this divergence pattern playing out again where we might just have that boom. Looks good. Beautiful. 4 yellow X. The sell-off died out. I mean, actually, really back to back. This one was 5, but 4, 5, boom. The sell exhaustion played out. She banged. Good shit. Tight little momentum fight right there. I like this hourly. Eight-hour, nice. I told you guys months ago, in January, I said that Ripple would come back to Coinbase and the exchanges and it would pump hella. I don't know which video it was or what stream, but somewhere in January, in one or two of my videos, I told you that at some point Ripple's going to come back and it's going to pump like a son of a gun. My guess is someone banged somebody's wife between Coinbase and Ripple. There was some backdoor drama. think I want to increase this trade at the right time. I need to deposit some Bitcoin. I'm going to briefly increase my leverage. So I'm gonna add more. No, now it's a $9.1 million trade. I am up $256,000 in profit currently unrealized. Yo, I'm on stream.
Yeah, I know. I see the broker's flopping. Nice trade.
Thanks.
FG in the house, guys. FG in the house.
Glad to see our mods actually using their powers.
Don't be gay, guys. I'm his brother. Jesus Christ.
No, they're just jealous. They jealous. They mad.
My mic's really bad, bro. I'm like bouncing between houses, like I'm on a different device. It's terrible. Forgive me.
They're buying a new TV with the movers. That's it. They had to handle them.
This music is like the brown note for flopping gophers, dude. It like makes them shit themselves and like turn inside out.
Yeah, if you haven't seen Flop and Groper's new video, it's very good. I'll repost it on our channel too. But really, you should just go to Flop and Groper's YouTube and watch his latest market cipher video. No, you have to purchase Market Cipher in order to be an affiliate. MarketCipherTrading.com.
No, we're not whipping out the nursery rhymes just yet, guys. It's big kid time. That's when we got all the babies in the chat.
It's very easy after you purchase. It's just right in your account. You have a link and everything like set up for you, basically. You pay 15%. None of that 10% bullshit. We pay 15% once a month in Bitcoin. Thanks, Kimo. ETH looks like it must be pumping. Nice. I was gonna say, was it in the 30s now? 21.34. Look at that. Look at her go.
That reseller program's killing it, bro. We've got like 144 resellers or something. Around the world. Around the world. Are sharing market cipher. You guys only need to resell like 5 market ciphers to make your subscription back. That's if you got like lifetime. We just don't want people who don't use Market Cipher to resell it, because we want the people selling it to like understand what they're selling. If you've owned our MC for a week, you can be a reseller, Thomas. Just go to your account page on the website, bro. It's like all there.
Alrighty, I'm back. Can you explain market size satellite designing it? Yeah, I mean, we were at a spider line. There was a couple different things. Let me pull up the actual this was the 5 or 10 minute. Money flow was coming up. Had 4 yellow X's. It was bottoming out. Every RSIs were coming up. Money flow was coming up. Things were looking good in higher time frames. Pulled the trigger. That's pretty much it. It was back here. This is where we entered the trade. Money flow was increasing. We were going from Sunday into Monday. Obviously, it was a holiday weekend, so you shouldn't be surprised that shit was going down or went down a little bit. The 4 yellow X strategy, sell-off exhaustion came in, took the long. Was really just looking for a scalp, but coming into Monday, I figured there was a lot more of opportunity. Actually, was long for 5 mil on another account. I closed that one earlier today, and then let this one ride. Just added to this one.
There was a big a SHME gap that we filled with pumpage, so another little bit of technical info you could have used. Foolish CME gap. It's the SHME gap.
Looks like we're heading right for this next spider line at 60K. It's my indicator system, Market Cipher. You go to marketciphertrading.com. And, you know, you guys know I'm always creating, trying to better myself and my indicators. And I don't want to say too much, but I don't have any timelines, but I think maybe in a couple months there might be a kind of a large update for Market Cipher, and a new indicator that would be a part of Market Cipher A. I don't want to say too much, 'cause I don't want people to be asking me. But I'm always creating, developing, and trying new things, trying to make things better. And worked a lot on that over the break.
We have not implemented the member upgrades yet. It's coming out in like a couple weeks. We'll do a big announcement. Don't email us about it, guys, but you will be able to upgrade your subscription. Just don't email us about it. It's coming. We're developing it. Is Ole actually doing a Bitcoin giveaway, or is that like an Elon Musk airdrop scam that like made it onto CNN? That is the fake news network, is it not? Fake news. In later news, still no one wants to watch CNN. I'm convinced that the majority of the comments on CNN's YouTube channels, when they even allow comments, are bots. I think that the war against AI and bots has already begun. It just doesn't look how it did in the Terminator movies. Under one of my old videos, like, it was crazy. Within the span of 10 seconds, all these comments popped up, and then like replies to that comment popped up, and all of these accounts were like fake bots, and they all look real. All had like legit looking names. Like, you click them, some of them have like subscribers. There's like an army of fake social media accounts, probably bigger than the actual population of people on social media. It's like man versus bot. Yeah, the bots are talking to each other too. They like reply to each other and flop and grope together and shit. NPCs, dude, yes. NPCs. This is like a PvE. We're PvEing. It's player versus environment. It's not even people. If you guys bought Market Cipher and you're still not in the members Discord, we actually have a special email for you. It's called discord@marketciphertrading.com. If you email that, our mods will help you. One thing we found, guys, is that people's like phone numbers have already been used by like bot accounts to like make Discord profiles. One guy was like, I've never signed up to Discord in my life, and my phone's attached to an account. What do I do? And like, some bot must have like used his phone number or some shit.
It's like when people went to vote in this election and they were already registered and apparently already voted. Like, what the hell? I didn't vote.
Yeah. If they don't have a bot there, they just like convert you to a data point.
Whale Crew is closed. We're not taking new members. Don't fall for scams. Short-term target price for Bitcoin, probably 60K. Whale Crew isn't closed, we're just not taking new members. No, I'm still drinking some coffee. I just got back from running a bunch of errands. Discord at marketciphertrading.com was the email. Ooh, ETH must be still pumping here. It's probably at 2140. Yep. Nice. Good go.
I love ETH, dude. You know, I learned all my mistakes as a trader during that bear market of Bitcoin from 2018 to 2019 or whatever, but Ethereum was what saved my ass, dude. I love Ethereum.
Omar, you put your life savings into Bitcoin or being whale crew. That's the last thing we're looking for to be in whale crew, man. We don't want flopping, groping people that are fucking doing that type of stuff, man. At least you're 20, so you're young and you know you can take those kind of risks. But that's the opposite of the type of person we want in there, who's gonna be flopping and groping.
Yeah, dude, we need people that can operate from abundance and not flopping with every freaking signal, because that's gonna affect CryptoFace's psychology.
And dude, I don't hold your hand with everything. It's up to you to when to sell your position and to set stops below your entry. I'm not there to manage your trade for you in every fucking move, dude. You're supposed to be a better trader and take responsibility.
Yeah, you definitely give that to the whale crew, like really good entries and shit. But I think people probably have like a fantastical idea of what it's like in that whale crew. It's just how they're sharing his ideas. It's not like, oh, here's the exact level, here's the stop loss, here's the leverage, here's a consultant to help you and powder your ass and tell you you're cool.
Yeah,
like,
once in a while, like this last trade, I was like, yo, my stop is here. Like, I'm entered here. You know, this is kind of a semi-target. I said when I exited half, like, some I do, but nah, you're I ain't there to hold your hand. That's for damn sure.
Best way I describe my brother's trading style is like he's a momentum trader, so he knows which way it's going. But if you ask him about specifics, he's just gonna rage at you. It's gonna pop a blood vessel.
We've been saying 100 times for the past 20 minutes that Whale Crew is closed to new members. We're not taking new members. When we do, I will announce it here and only here.
Yes, rage is good. Rage into that good night. I just got the COVID. I'm a coughing groper.
Hourly still looking good. We'll see if this VWAP can pull up and spill into the higher time frames and gain strength. Re-entered throughout here. Entered some more. Currently about 280 or so grand unrealized on Bitcoin. 2,700 on E. A few stops set just in case the flash came. Because I don't trade shit coins, they're riskier. I can't leverage as much. It's too risky. And in order for me to make the same amount as I would or more as Bitcoin, I would have to risk my risk would be 20 times more. Thanks Cameron and D for your donations. All donations go to charity, mostly kids with cancer and wounded soldiers.
Is ETH crowning yet? Oh my god, we're crowning. Dude, and we've got the Himalayan wee music. I love this music. What does crowning mean? Like a baby's head coming out of a, you know what? Crowning? It's not a trade term, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just being myself. I'll spread my legs and I'll show you what crowning means.
Nice anchor trigger wave on ETH. That led to that little pump. 12-hour green dot on ETH. Money flow is coming up to the upside, thick coming up. Wow, ETH looks really good on the 12-hour. Increasing money flow, increasing VWAP, green dots. Still thick, potentially diverging on the 2-day. ETH looks great right now. Charlie Lee, oh my lord. Look at that. Wow, what a beauty on Litecoin. Anchor, trigger, bam. Wow.
Yeah, man, it's prairie dogging. Some Mirk action. We'll see if it goes back in the hole. What's up, Pradik? Good to have him, bro.
Ripple, kind of dumping. Adrian, you get access to the Market Cipher Discord when you get Market Cipher.
Yeah, if you guys bought MC and you're not in the Discord members group, you can go Discord at marketciphertrading.com and our mods will help you.
Cheers, V.
There's no reason not to be in there.
No, the spider lines are just trend lines. Nothing to do with Market Cipher, nor will it be.
There's not signals. We don't do signals in the Market Cipher Discord. It's like a TA group. We're teaching people to fish in. Teaching people to fish, and it's fully staffed. We got mods there to help you answer all your questions pertaining to the indicators.
What's the news with Digitex? Can you do it?
Last I checked, they were doing webcam. Webcam.
I draw the spider lines. They come from the weekly. I have a million videos where I'm drawing spider lines. A titled video from a month ago on how to do that.
If you guys are complaining about noobs in the Market Cipher Discord, like, if you're not a noob, then stop going into the noob chats and start trading. Like, there's gonna be people coming into MC, like, asking questions, like, I know we call people flopping and gross, but instead of hating on all the people in there, like, just start trading. Discord's not a waste. At the end of the day, it's a groper index. You go in there, are the gropers flopping? That's volatility. That's an indication. So there's always value in the chats. It's up to you to just be a dumbass and like follow random people into trades. It's like in our disclaimer that you shouldn't listen to people in the Discord. You know, you shouldn't take everything without a grain of salt. Listen, you don't want to underestimate the flopping gropers in the Discord because it's kind of like how a child sometimes predicts things super accurately because they're not biased with all that adult knowledge. Sometimes noobs point out something super obvious that you're overthinking. But yeah, if you see people flopping and groping and it's like annoying, like that is an indication in itself, right? Just don't directly apply it to your strategy. Like trade you your own individual. And if you think I sound like a dick, well then how the hell do you know what dicks sound like? Get flopped on. You got flopped on, mate. You guys should check out my latest video. It's really good. It's only like 6 minutes long. You could like take a poop and watch it. You didn't know I posted videos, Timmy? You didn't know You didn't know, bro? Candles are printing red, which means my brother had to go. That usually happens when he leaves the computer. I'm sure he'll be back.
I want to go to China again. To Shanghai.
To the sky through the ice rain. Things are never gonna be the same. Nothing to lose, everything to gain.
Yes, there was a daily wave crossing green dot, but it's not confirmed. It is confirmed on the 22 hour though. I don't recommend or sponsor any like of VPNs. Like they all work. Do your own research. There's not a single VPN that I trust on mobile. Like I never try to like do anything like that on my phone. I do it all on my...
Thanks for your donation, $200, D Martinis, in the name of charity. I'm a little late to it, but thank you. I have no prediction over the next 24 hours. Looks like we're having a little momentum crossing.
I got my jammies on, man. I'm ready for a long night.
Ooh, yeah. Wow, Coinbase is tripping. There was a wick down to 58K.
Put your FOMO diaper on, folks. I feel nothing. I feel nothing. I'm so numb.
Yeah, me too.
Look up to the sky through the ice rain. Things are never gonna be the same. Nothing to lose, everything to gain.
Right down that spider line. It literally just wicked to the spider line, got shot back up.
Let's check the chats. Is there fear? Is there mean? Any pain signatures in the chat?
Taking some profits. See if I can catch some limit knives. Told you. Someone's like, I told you. Boom. Boom. Yeah, I mean, that was pretty cool. I mean, the momentum crossed before that. I mean, the shit's real, folks. Shit's real. It's cool.
Dance Department. Live from ADE.
Everyone's in a different situation, you know. Some people can recharge the position, put more in at a point like that, but you want to lock in profits, so I doubt he's closing the entire trade.
I'm closing the entire trade, huh?
Yeah. We're
Oh
flipping,
fuck, I was on mute. The stream couldn't
stream's
hear
over.
me.
Oh,
I was
shit.
on mute from the stream. I'm closing the entire trade. Did I have another? I must have had another sell up here.
Those are take profit conditionals. You see how they're red? That means those are shorters. You should be able to just lit the screen and see what's going on here. I only leave trades open overnight if I want to wake up holding a big shit bag.
Shit bag.
Live vanuit het 538 DK Hotel. Met nu achter de ones and two. Boris Brecha.
You gotta just stay up 3 days in a row and then have a big sleep. It's called the big sleep. You got liquidated, dog. Try not to let trades fall below your entry. You gotta cut the shit bags, bro. This market can and will take everything it can. Everything you let it take, it'll take. I mean, your risk in that trade, obviously, now that you liquidated, the risk was everything you put in the trade. So was the risk worth the reward, bro? You're on too high leverage and it slip under your entry, so that'll open liquidation to your portfolio, bro. I don't know a single person making profit with a 100x strategy. It's like 15% if you use the market order. He's shorting and longing at the same time because on Bybit, you can only have one position open per coin. And so if you put a short order in while you're long, it'll just reduce your long. So he's tending to his fatty long position here by hovering a bunch of short conditional orders above it. So if it does go down there, it'll cover his fees and saves his ass. I'd say these conditionals he placed are pretty conservative. These are conservative conditional orders. He's losing the potential of a lot of profit, but he's reducing the chance of liquidation overall.
They're not shorts, they're stops. So I'm not shorting and longing at the same time. They're just conditional.
I'm just trying to explain it in layman's terms because they see like the red orders and the green, and you know.
Just get rid of them. That's why I hide them most of the time.
If you've lost 15 trades in a row, first I commend you for being able to trade 15 times in a row. That means your risk management's probably not bad, but your TA probably needs work.
Your mental probably needs work.
You're not like reading the charts right if your win rate is that bad. But if your win rate was good, but you're still losing because your losses are huge, that would indicate risk management issue. I'll be right back.
Hi, baby. What are you always doing on the computer all the time? It's been months. You're all pale and hunched over like Schmeagol from Lord of the Rings. And you haven't taken out the trash in 3 weeks. I'm worried I'm losing you, and
Worry not, my love. I am glad you finally asked. I trade cryptocurrencies, you see.
Cryptocurrency?
Yes, cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is just digital money. It uses decentralized blockchain technology as opposed to the current central banking system, and each person acts like their own bank, verifying each individual transaction on a public ledger, which is then cross-verified by everyone on the network in a matter of seconds, thus guaranteeing trust between private individuals and removing the need for a central government to ensure mutual exchange of goods and services between people. It's the future of money.
But none of that made any sense. Digital money, mutual exchange, and what even is a crypto? Decentralized blockchain? That's the least sexiest phrase I've ever heard.
You won't be saying that when you're sipping on pina coladas with me on the Oracle's private yacht, or picking out the travertine for that new open kitchen remodel you always wanted. Besides, it's way better than all the other terrible things I was doing on the internet before crypto came around.
I guess you're right, but I still want to know more. It's just so confusing still.
Oh, my dear, you have much to learn, but it's just too much to explain with mere words, so let me show you. There was an old lady who lived in a shoe. All her money was in crypto, and she didn't know what to do. She couldn't get a loan or finance her home. Then she lost her private keys in the move.
Private keys?
Private keys are just a 12-word phrase given to you whenever you download a crypto wallet. Most people just forget about them, but that's a grave mistake. Lose your private keys and you may never see your crypto again. Especially if you want to spill coffee on your laptop or jump into the hot tub with your smartphone in your pocket. Always keep your private keys written down and stored in a filing cabinet. Also, banks don't really like crypto since it's still such a volatile asset. So good luck getting a loan from a bank or a new apartment if all your money is in crypto.
This all sounds really dangerous already, but I guess that's a price we have to pay to have total financial freedom. Big Brother can hear us through our phones already. It's bad enough that all the money gets printed from one place.
Exactly, my dear. You're learning so fast.
Read me another story.
Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a lawn as the market dumped and had a great fall. The prices were dropping, the gropers were flopping. Sat on a lawn. Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a lawn. Humpty Dumpty sat on a lawn. Humpty Dumpty sat on a lawn. Humpty Dumpty sat on a lawn as the market dumped and had a great fall. The prices were dropping, the gropers were flopping. Humpty Dumpty got liquidated and lost it all.
Liquidated?
Getting liquidated just means you were using too much leverage trading your cryptos. Some people are too impatient to wait for the market to go up or down a lot, so they use leverage to get more profits from less price action. But be careful. Using leverage means you are borrowing other people's money, which means there must be some incentive for them to help you.
What's the incentive?
If you predict the market wrong and it goes the other direction, there's a liquidation price, where if it reaches that price, you lose all the money you put into that trade.
This just keeps getting crazier and crazier. And what the hell is flopping and groping?
It's how we express our love when the lights go out. Ooh, I'm just kidding, baby. It's just a term we use to describe all the people who are desperate to make back their lost crypto. They flood into our inboxes like locusts. It's impossible to help them all. But CryptoFace and I try our best with our PHEMEX consultations to help them. We teach them about trade analysis, using leverage, Bollinger Bands, stop losses, market makers versus market takers, moving averages, etc. And if anyone wants to schedule a consultation, all they have to do is private message either me or CryptoFace for inquiries.
I won't even ask what all that other stuff is. Let's just read the next story.
Well, fine. Little Miss Muffet, thought she was Warren Buffett and put her whole stack into Tron. It went down to 0.03 cents as she sold to pay rent. She went long as a Chinese ching chong. Chinese ching chong. Sold to pay rent. She went long as a Chinese ching chong. As a Chinese ching chong. Rent. She went long. Rent. She went long. Rent. She went long as a Chinese ching chong.
I think I understand. She put too much money in crypto?
Exactly, my dear. Crypto is still far away from mass adoption, and there's word going around of an altcoin apocalypse on the horizon. Shitcoins like Tron, Doge, Bitcoin, and Verge just aren't going to cut it in an overly saturated market. Right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are really the only two cryptos with a promising future. Even Ethereum acts like a shitcoin sometimes, and even with 5x leverage, shitcoins, Ethereum are really the only two cryptos with a promising future. Even Ethereum acts like a shitcoin sometimes. Ethereum acts like a shitcoin sometimes. Promising future. Even Ethereum acts like a shitcoin sometimes. 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 And even with 5x leverage, you can still get liquidated within $5 in price movement.
Oh, honey, I'm worried for you. I hope you're investing wisely.
You have nothing to fear. I also invest in cattle futures. I have a profitable YouTube channel, and I always use a stop loss with a clear entry and trade target, so I don't get Thanos and lose half my investment in one trade.
What's a Chinese ching chong?
A Chinese ching chong is just something Bitcoin always does when it shoots up in price. It always seems to have 4 impulse waves, fooling everyone into buying more and more crypto. Then when it's super overbought, the Chinese come and push their button, wrecking the entire market and liquidating everyone. And it's all completely legal.
Those dang Chinese.
I know, screw the Chinese.
But didn't she invest in Tron?
Well, yes, but Bitcoin has over 35% market dominance, so whenever Bitcoin goes up, all the other shitcoins go up too. Same when it goes down.
I think I understand everything now. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. I think I want to invest in CryptoKitty.
No. One of us needs to still have money left over if all this goes to shit and the ETFs. One of us needs to still have money left over if all this goes to shit and the ETFs never get approved. And one of us needs to still have money left over if all this goes to shit and the ETFs never get approved. And plus, you should just invest in a... Hello? Hello? Oh, well, good night, sweet princess. If you enjoyed our presentation, make sure you like and subscribe for more crypto-related content.
What's that truth, damn it?
I'm afraid, all right? You want to hear me say it? You want to break me down? All right, I'm afraid. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. A scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. A scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day, live to make another play. Patience is a virtue, finna cash out any day. Stacked it to the ceiling, now I park my cars in valet. Move, bitch, get out the way. Charging that shit like a bull. Call me Scottie Pippen, cause these pips, they keep my wallet full. Bank account on overflow, now I'm down in Tokyo. Me and Flop and Groper stung the market like a Scorpio. Bullish like a rodeo, feel like I hit the lottery. Crypto face, man, already making history. Yep, you gon' remember me from trading pairs perfectly. My faith in market Cipher B, double hump diversity. While you trade nervously, adding to your misery. Gone and take some notes, better yet, why don't you follow me? Stay tuned, I'ma let you see how I rake these millies in. Save this video and make a playlist, call it Bullish trends. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. A scared man don't make no money. That's the way the game go. Gotta make investments if you wanna see your money grow. Scared man don't make no money. Go on and put that money up. Invest it in yourself. Now you got your own checks and stubs. Scared man don't make no money. Signed up for market Cipher, lifetime membership. Now you at the dealership. Pulled off the lot in a futuristic spaceship. Paid it off immediately. That's what I call ownership. Scared to lose a stack. You might never make it back. Law of attraction. What you think is what you gonna track. All at a casino, scared gambling. Now you just got cracked. Can't go home broke. Heard you told your girl you got jacked. Butterflies in your stomach every time you wanna spin. Half scared, half courageous. Man, the two don't blend. All or nothing, pick a side. Let your heart be your guide. Heard you was indecisive. Need to learn to decide. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Get paid. CryptoFace, crypto.com.
Alrighty, we're back after a brief little intermission there. Yes, kind of where we expected it to kind of potentially drop down to. Closest line down here. It's now kind of close to my average entry. Move there. I might close this and take the money, take the 200K, and then go on about my day and play some video games and chill. You there, bro?
Yeah, I mean, it's up to you, man. I mean, if you think you can't monitor this for the next couple hours, sleeping on a trade or leaving a trade, it's probably not a good idea, so.
See if I can get some limits here. If this starts moving, I'm just going to switch over to market and eat that up. There we go. Come on up. Boom. Ate them up. Got 86,000 locked in. Another 100K or so to go. And I might leave a couple mil in to ride out, just in case. Take what the market gave me. 200K, not bad for a day. We've done more, you know, we've made more, but you know,
just closed 150K. He's not dumb, bro. I'm gonna ban this guy. Sometimes people gotta sleep or take a break or whatever. Everyone's in their own situation, so.
I'm eating up that order right there. Oh, it looked like I was gonna be able to catch this knife going to the upside and get some limit out, but I saw it coming down, so I just took it myself there on market. Switching between limit and market. Limiting when I can, marketing if I need to. Boom, so knife for a second. Take that.
Is there a limit on like how big an order can be? Is it $1 million?
Bucks.
Damn, so you've kind of been forced to learn how to piecemeal in and out of these fat positions.
Yep.
I think if you guys trade like that, you might see more success if you like kind of teams up.
Yeah, I always say it, spread it out. Don't go all in one time, all out one time.
Yeah, you don't just want to like flop in and grope out on market order. You have to try not to get liquidated. It's like a high impact risk. You can't let trades fall under your entry. You know, that means you're gonna hold a shit bag.
All right, we got 150 grand locked in. I'm gonna leave this 2 mil on the board for now, and we're gonna shut the stream down and relax, play some video games, and yeah, good trade, good stream. Anything else you want to say before we go?
Nah, man, good stream. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right, peace.